Okay, again, welcome to my channel. So right now I want to talk about BTC or Bitcoin. Yesterday, I discussed also about Bitcoin. So unfortunately, the setup that I give you, this is my setup yesterday. So it hits a loss. Unfortunately, it hits a loss. But then, uh, for me myself, I didn't trade Bitcoin because I don't have enough capital. So I didn't put it in my recap because it is not part of my trade, but it is just my based on my analysis. But unfortunately, it hits a loss. So I think starting from now, I will also talk about this Bitcoin chart or Bitcoin future tradings because for after seeing it a couple of times, it seems that this Bitcoin patterns is very interesting, and then I just want to try my analytical skill. Is it applicable or is it good for to be applied in Bitcoin? So let's talk about today. So this is the chart. So yesterday, if you still remember, we are at this point. So actually, my prediction is to go down. Turns out it goes up to the here. As you can see, this is the level of resistance. Yeah, the level of resistance here of this price, and then this is also the level of resistance. So I believe this is the resistance level that is quite strong, and then it drops. It drops with a very bearish candle, and then it is uh, very high drop from here to here, and then it goes back up again. So from this, this is still a risky position, but there are several things that we can uh, see or that we can do here. Okay, first of all, according to my prediction, and after seeing this pattern, my prediction for this Bitcoin is actually to goes up. Yeah, why? Because this is being blocked as a daily area. Yeah, and it's already broken by this candle, but then it goes back up. So according to my prediction, based on my experience and my own assumption and my own analytical skills, so the price of this Bitcoin, it will goes down, hit, and then it will goes back up, and then it will mix it sideways. As we all know, for those of you who follow the news of the Bitcoins is going to have a halving period or halving event in a couple of days time. So I guess it will go sideways while waiting also for the uh, Fed interest to be fixed, whether they gonna bring down or bring up, actually bring down the Fed interest in US. So most likely it will go sideways. Yeah. So once again, this is only my prediction based on my experience and my trading skill, which is uh, maybe it's not that good. So this is actually my prediction. Yeah, what will Bitcoin do is it will trace back down, and then it will goes up again, and then it goes down, and then to make it a sideways pattern. So in here, what we can do is first let's try to use Fibonacci retracement. Oh, sorry. This is the Fibonacci retracement, and then we can put it to the bottom or to the peak, and then it's already hits the 0.68 area. So perhaps it might goes a bit up here, and then it will goes down. So what I recommend is for us to have a short position. So this is our starting point. Yeah, then you can put your stop loss here. Why here? Because this is above this is what we call the wick. Yeah, the wick of the candle of this wick, and then this is also above this big high area. As you can see here, this has becomes the resistance area here. Okay, so if we draw a line, yeah, this price level is actually disturbing this candle. After it goes up, it goes down again, and then you also have this becomes resistance area. Okay, so your stop loss you can put it here around this level, and then you can put your profit here. Yeah, so unfortunately it's quite uh, very risky position, and the risk reward ratio is also very very bad. But if you want to do a scalping, perhaps you can do it, but I don't really recommend this. So yeah, you can actually scrap the ideas, but if you want to go for it, you're with a very bad risk reward ratio, it's up to you, because uh, this will be the red candle which will be closed in 5 seconds. So let's wait. Yeah, so the candle is closed, and then as you can see, this candle, the red candle here, is actually bigger than the uh, green candle here. The bearish candle here is higher than the bullish candle, so most likely the price will goes down. But again, for me, it is quite a risky position. But if you want to have a good risk reward ratio, you can put your profit level here, your take profit level here. Why? Because you might want to assume that it will make a double bottom pattern before it goes up again. But then for me, the possibility for the prices to make a double bottom pattern is very low. It's less than 10%. But you wanna willing to take that risk, a 90% chance of loss risk, well, it is up to you. Because like I said again, in forex trading there is no certainty, there is no 100% certainty. The maximum certainty is only 70%. Okay, so most likely the safest options that we can do here is actually we can put our oh sorry we can put our long or buy position here. We can put a buy and long position here, and then this is your setup. Okay, how about this? Yes, I think this is big. This is better. I think this is your setup. So you can put your buy limit. Yeah, this is one you can go for a buy limit at this level 61383, or even at 61300. It's up to you. And then your stop loss level will be here. Why? As you can see here, there is lots of candle here, and then let's give a margin. Yeah, so if we put a line here, seems like this level is the level of resistance that bounce several candle up. So we can say this is the level of resistance for several candles. So it is quite safe if we put our stop loss a bit below to give a margin of this buy position. And then your reward or your profit can be up to this point, which is at the top, or maybe it's safer to be put it here at the top, meaning it goes back up. To the level near the near the resistance. Sorry, I mean this is a support area, yeah, or support level. Support level that bounce the candles up, and then this is the resistance area. So we can assume that when the price goes up, it will goes back. Sorry, when the price goes down, I mean, sorry, when the price goes down, it will goes back up again to the resistance area, and then our stop loss will be below the support area from the previous candles. Okay, this is a very probable setup, but then again, there is no 100% certainty here. Ah, one thing that I want to highlight is actually when you want to put a buy stop here, please do not put it now. Why? Because you need to have one requirement. What is that requirement? The requirement is when these prices touch this level, you have to make sure that the candle or there is a confirmation candle that it goes back up. What is that confirmation candle? The confirmation candle is you need to see one or two green candle that goes back up. It means that it is already going for a reversal pattern. Or you can wait for a morning star pattern. You can search in Google what is a morning star or a doji star. Yeah, meaning you need to have a morning star pattern here, meaning it will gives you a reversal pattern here. And then, mind you, there is also another thing that you need to be careful is when there is goes back up, sometimes it needs to retest. Yeah, sometimes it goes to retest. So most likely it will goes like this. The price will goes like this, and then if there is a confirmation when it wants to go bullish, it will goes back up, and then it will goes back down again for a retest, and then it goes, then it shoots up to the moon. So this is the two things that we need to be careful. First, at this point, you need to understand or you need to know that it needs to have a confirmation that it is going to do a reversal from bearish going down to go up. Meaning you need to have a green candle, a very big green candle with a very big body, and then when it do a retest, make sure that it is only doing a retest, not a breakout. So if it going to break out even more here, unfortunately, our setup will hit stop loss. So if you want to be safe, just wait here, and then you can put a buy later on. Meaning, what you need to do is you need to wait. You need to wait and see, and then you cannot just put a buy limit there. But of course, you need to wait and see if this pattern is already confirmed. The reversal pattern is already confirmed. The retest and then the retest also will be confirmed with a reversal pattern, meaning you can start or you can open your position of buy right away, and then it will goes up. Uh, is there any possibilities for it to go down? Of course, but right now there is no such confirmation, so I will not give any setup. But perhaps no, in this one, yeah. So let's just wait. Okay, that's all. Thank you.